was a BMS-born process of SMT. Put the empty PCB board with barcode into the material frame, and place it on the board feeder. The board feeder feeds the PCB board into the printer to complete the solder paste printing. The printed PCB board is tested for solder paste thickness, shape and coverage by SPI equipment to ensure that there are no defects. The qualified PCB board enters the placement machine and accurately mounts SMD components according to the programmed coordinates with a speed of 0.08 seconds, component and an accuracy of 0.01 mm. After the placement is completed, the first sample is confirmed.